Hi, this is Divya, Assistant Professor Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about biologically inspired robot design. Okay, in the previous video, we have seen about the biologically inspired robot history, and here in this video, we are going to see about biologically inspired robot design. Okay, designing mechanism for robots that mimic the motion of animals and other living creatures is one of the core problem in biologically inspired robot. Okay, designing mechanism for robots that mimics the motions of the animals and other living creatures is one of the core problems in biologically inspired robots. Okay, there are no actuators that are as sophisticated as muscles. Okay, these actuators cannot act as such as sophisticated muscles, right? Since we are going to create a robot by mimic of an motion of an animal, but the actuators, no actuators can act as sophisticated muscles, right? As we all know that materials that are as soft as tissues. No materials can be as soft as tissues, right? Or joints that generates the complicated yet smooth motions that humans and animals joints performs. Okay, these joints cannot be as smooth as animals and humans joints performs. Okay, therefore it can crucial to develop simplified mechanisms that can generate motion similarly to biological motions. Okay, therefore it is crucial to develop, it is very crucial to develop simplified mechanism that can generate motion similarly to biological motions. We can see in this diagram how we have four legs, right? The animal, which is, we can mention it as dog, it has four legs. Here this robot is also having a four legs, it is similar like a dog. Fine. Next, biologically inspired robot control. How the biological inspired robot can be controlled? The behavior of the animal and other living creatures inspires the development of new ideas for controlling the motion or behavior of the robots. The behavior of animals and other living creatures. Okay, the behavior of animals and other living creatures inspires the development of new ideas for controlling the motion or behavior of robots. In principle, robotic control and biologic control systems are similar. Okay, in principle, robotic control and biological control systems are similar. They all work on the basis of sensor motor control, sensory motor control. They are all work on the sensory motor control. Here, biological systems are controlled by expansion and contraction of the muscles based on the informations collected by the biological sensors such as eye, skin, ear, nose, etc. These are the biological sensors. Which are the biological sensors? Eyes, nose, skin, ears, etc. These are controlled by expansion and contraction of the muscles by informations of these things, these biological sensors. Robotic systems are controlled based on the information which is feedback from the robotic sensor using their actuators. Okay, these robotic systems are controlled based on the information's feedback from robotic sensors using their actuators. The underlying principle for both robotic and biological system is feedback control. Okay, the underlying principle for both robotic and biological system is feedback control. We can see in the diagram, right? Diagram that sensors we have given, we have explore the environment. We have to explore the environment, how the animal or animal in animal will be in the environment, and avoid collisions, build the map, plan motion, preserve the environment, monitor the changes. These are the 5 steps to be done, from sensors to exploring the environment, avoid collisions, build the map, plan motion, precision the environment, monitor the changes. These 6 will be given into an actuator. According to this, the changes will be biologically inspired robot will be designed. Next, biologically inspired actuators and sensors. What are the biologically inspired actuators and sensors? Sensors and actuators are major components of robotic systems. As we all know that sensors and actuators are the major components of robotic systems. Development of robotic actuators that function similar to the muscles has long been a goal in the field of robots. Okay, sensors and actuators are the major components of robotic systems. Muscles generates force by contraction of muscle fibers. Okay, human beings have muscles, right? Human beings are the living animals. We have muscles, right? That muscle generates force by contraction of muscle fibers. Okay. The rubber actuators were the first commercial actuators that has similar characteristics of human muscles. Rubber tactuator was the first commercial actuator that has similar characteristics of human muscles. The rubber actuator is made from rubber tubes covered by brained fibers. Okay, the rubber actuator is made from rubber tubes covered by brained fibers. Mainly sensors and actuators are the major components of robotic systems. Muscles generate force by contraction of muscle fibers. The rubber actuator, as I already told you, the rubber actuator was the first commercial actuators that has similar characteristics of human muscles. Okay, thank you.